Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creativity. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and I am the Lopsided Crafter. Today is day 2 of our mystery advent. Our little mystery bag from Teal Torch Knits. I showed you bag 1 yesterday. I will link that below, and I will create a playlist just in case you have not seen it. Today's bag is this cute little purple and polka dotted bag. Let's see what's in it. I like doing these little advents. If you're wondering why I'm wearing the same color clothes, be sure to check out video 1, and I kind of explained everything in there. So, I got a sample of the soak. A Milky Way bar. Everybody loves candy, right? So this one's like a little gadget advent. The mystery machine. Everybody knows that I love Scooby-Doo. And this is from Bunny and Toot. It is a stitch marker. Some sort of shake of some kind. That is cute. That is cute. I like that. So, day 2 was our little fun stuff. A sticker, some soak, a stitch marker or progress keeper, and a little candy bar. I'll be eating that soon. Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow for day 3. I hope everybody has a great day. Bye. Thanks for joining us on the Lopsided Crafter. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really, truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy crocheting. Bye.